Old as gold. Guys, you all know that our ancient time Diwali was very much great than the modern era Diwali. Being in modern era can tell you that modern era Diwali is much better than the old Diwali. Why do we think that only burning crackers, having sweets and putting lights around terrace is good?
Hi everyone! Hi! How are you all? All time and energy, right?
Yes.
That's great. Guys, so are you ready for our discussion day?
Yes.
But there is a slight change in today's discussion. आज का discussion थोड़ा अलग होगा. As you know, Diwali is coming. How many of you are excited?
Yes.
Yeah, even I too. But you know, इस बार की दिवाली ना थोड़ी लर्निंगफुल दिवाली होने वाली है. और इस वजह से मैंने डिसाइड करा है कि क्यों ना दिवाली से पहले उन लर्निंग्स को हम इकट्ठा कर लें. जो लर्निंग्स क्या होगी? आपके ओपिनियंस की लर्निंग. जैसे कि आपको पता है दैट डिस्कशन एक ऐसी एक्टिविटी है कि जब आप डिस्कस करते हो यू शेयर योर ओपिनियंस एंड व्हेन यू शेयर योर ओपिनियंस यू फील कंफर्टेबल एंड यू गेट टू नो अबाउट अदर्स ओपिनियन एज वेल. जैसे कि मेरे को लगता है कि दिवाली पे बहुत सारी चीजें करके हम खुश हो सकते हैं. वहीं पर अनंत को भी लगता है कि हाँ मेरे पास भी कुछ ऐसे आइडियाज हैं जिससे हम इसको बेस्ट बना सकते हैं, एक मेमोरेबल दिवाली बना सकते हैं. तो हम अपने ओपिनियंस को शेयर करेंगे. कुछ चीजें ऐसी लगेंगी मेरे को कि मेरे को अनंत को करेक्ट करने की जरूरत है कि क्रैकर्स नहीं चलाने चाहिए, हमें लोगों की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. कुछ चीजें अनंत मेरे को सजेस्ट करेंगे. इस डिस्कशन सेशन में आप इसको फ्रूटफुल बना सकते हो अपने बेस्ट ओपिनियन से. डोंट थिंक कि आई हैव टू स्पीक गुड इंफॉर्मेशन. Just think I have to just place what I feel rather than acting that I'm serious and speaking. Right? Will be better or not?
Yes.
We will give one by one statement to you related one theme, related Diwali. But इसमें change ये होगा कि आपको discuss ये करना है that which Diwali is better to celebrate. The modern era Diwali, which is filled with so many things. As you know, happiness as well, technology as well, internet as well, and also crackers. Whereas, as compared to this, we had one more Diwali. What our parents, grandparents used to celebrate. वो कौन सी दिवाली थी? Old time, right? That Diwali was even so beautiful. वो दिया से थी, लाइट से थी, और उनकी प्योरिटी और हैप्पीनेस से ज्यादा थी. बट इस डिस्कशन में आप सबको ये नहीं कि सबको ओल्ड की तरफ जाना और सबको मॉडर्न एरा की तरफ जाना है. आपके जो ओपिनियंस कहना है यू आर फ्री टू सपोर्ट दैट. इफ थ्री थिंग्स कि हमें लगता है मॉडर्न, तो दो लोग भी ओल्ड की तरफ जा सकते हैं. देयर इज नो पार्टीशन. ये डिबेट नहीं है कि आपको बहस करनी है. इट इज अ डिस्कशन. आपको एक दूसरे को समझाना है कि क्यों ये वाली दिवाली इज बेटर एंड हमें अभी भी फॉलो करना चाहिए, और किसको लगता है कि अभी मॉडर्न एरा की दिवाली में भी बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो चेंज हुई है. ओके, सो जस्ट प्लेस योर ओपिनियंस. गॉट इट? Shall we start it? Yes. Let's begin it.
Old as gold. Guys, you all know that our ancient time Diwali was very much great than the modern era Diwali. Because now people put light off roads, means they do firecrackers, they burn it. But in the ancient Diwali, people celebrate it by emotion, happiness, and making others' Diwali also bright. But now people burn the crackers, they do pollution, and more than 100 people the next day of Diwali get admitted in the hospital because of breathing problems. But in our old time, nothing was there. Only sweets, helping others, this was there. Because they celebrated by their emotions. Being in modern era can tell you that modern era Diwali is much better than the old Diwali. But why say old is gold? Because it has proved in ancient time the people were just using light oil lamps and decorating the area, and it looks very beautiful. At this time electricity has increased and technology and many more things which is increased now. But at ancient time nothing was there much, but at that time also it was looking better than this. Why I would select that one era? Because it is good. Why do we think that only burning crackers, having sweets and putting lights around terrace is good? in modern time we have seen that people are burning crackers. I know that we are burning crackers, it is not wrong, I am not saying it's wrong, but do you think that nature is getting harmed? We always think about us, we never think about anyone. And if I compare it by old Diwali, so it was fantastic because it was with lights, sweets and diyas. Like right now also we are celebrating with diya. But if you go to any shop, so because of technology there is also a diya which my bua just buy, that was when we will put water in that, so it would be on. There is like that. So it means modern time is, I think, not good much than older.
I am not saying that modern time is bad and ancient time is bad, but ancient time is little bit good now modern time, because by ancient time we are celebrating Diwali by happiness, sweets and festival celebrate with togethers. But in nowadays we just make mazak of Diwali and make fun of Diwali and with buying cracker. So it's also harm for animals and it's also harm for humans.
Guys, you four all are right. But I want to say this, that you are living in modern time but still supporting the Asian time. See, modern time is best than Asian time. Why? Because in the Asian time, the Dalit was there. Means the people who are rich, like king as queen, they always say that we are not gonna touch the Dalit people. If we will touch the Dalit people, we are also gonna become like them as poor. And you are saying that Asian time was good. Yeah, hey, it was good, but only in what matters.
Information was this.
Yeah, but discrimination was just too much. But here in modern era, you are not thinking that no discrimination is there. And even if it is about the crackers, so Diwali is just a festival of crackers and lightings and etc. thing. Yeah guys, Diwali is very lovely festival. But nowadays we are burning crackers. Yeah, I know burning crackers not bad, but it create a harmful pollution that it can create a lockdown. You already know that in some times if 2023 lockdown is going on because we was imposed, because we human use a lot of crackers that can create a much harmful pollution. And you already know that pollution is very much harmful for us. In this Diwali, according to me, in this Diwali, I said one thing to you all: do at your home. In the Dashera, you should do study. I said why? Because we should have to study, because if you study, so you get a lot of information. Thank you.
So अभी तक हमने ये डिस्कस किया that modern era की दिवाली ज़्यादा अच्छी है या फिर old era की दिवाली अच्छी हुआ करती थी. Our discussion was on it. But now I got one more question. कि what are the problems we are facing? अभी ऐसी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हैं इस दिवाली को सेलिब्रेट करने की वजह से, जो हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं हर साल, और ओल्ड एरा में ऐसी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आया करती होंगी? और अगर प्रॉब्लम्स है, आपको लगता है कि दिवाली को हैपनिंग नेचर से नहीं बनाया जा रहा है, तो व्हाट कैन बी द सॉल्यूशन टू मेक आवर दिवाली ब्यूटीफुल, हैपनिंग एंड आल्सो स्वीट, राइट? बिकॉज दिवाली इज अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ killing the negativity and producing positivity around. So how can we spread that positivity again? Come to the solution of all the problems what you face and you feel should be solved. Got it? Yes. Anybody? Again.
Guys, the main problem, which is happiness in the new Diwali, which we are living in. But when it was the old Diwali, the happiness was there, but it is now not there because of the crackers. Children and people are using crackers, which is making air pollution. Yes, and because of it, people are dying because of the so much pollution in it. But in the old Diwali, It was celebrated by happiness, sweets, and festival of light. Yes, Abhay, you are right. The main problem is that the crackers are here in modern era that people are dying of this. I have the solution that we can say the children that don't spread the pollution by even burning crackers and any crackers. You can just celebrate the Diwali by happiness, by gift something to another like sweets and etc. by celebrating with our family members and friends and etc. Thank you. As they are saying, they both are right, but I support that both the time was not good. See guys, in ancient time people was doing discrimination with others. Like who are people? They are not getting chance to celebrate Diwali. They don't have money, so they are not celebrating. But now generation they have all the things. Poor people also. They are just making the people fool that we are poor, but they have money. They are celebrating it well, but they are causing that much greatest damage to nature. They are increasing pollution level. Why? Because of factories, vehicles. So to stop them, I should say that you should purify. You should take the balance of your vehicles and stop air pollution and purify it.
As this discussion went so productive, right? Discussion productive क्यों गई? क्या कोई reason बता सकते हैं? Tell me in words. Because of calmness and happiness and teamwork, positivity, unity, by not thinking much. Okay, that's it. I know you have got a lot to share, but यही तो इंडिया की ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट है. India is called as a country which lives in unity, right? Either talking about Diwali or talking about any festival, we always focus on one thing: spreading this togetherness with everyone. If you show this togetherness to everyone, you will surely get in back. समझ लो कि जैसे आपने डिस्कशन करा इस टॉपिक पर, तो आपने सिर्फ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स नहीं बोले, आपने ये भी बताया कि क्या गलतियां हम करते हैं और किन्हें हमें सॉल्व करने की जरूरत है. इसका मतलब ये डिस्कशन सिर्फ बेस्ट चीज़ों को डिस्कस करने में नहीं गया, फ्रूटफुल चीज़ों को भी डिस्कस करने में गया जो आपको लगता है लोगों तक जानी चाहिए. That's how we make any discussion positive and even learningful for anyone. राइट और जब भी आप भी अपनी फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के साथ ऐसे डिस्कशन करो, कभी भी बायस्ड मत हो दैट आई थिंक दिस एंड आई बिलीव दिस ओनली. दिस इज नॉट डिस्कशन. डिस्कशन मीन्स व्हाट? वी आर डिस्कसिंग. इट मीन्स आई विल लिसन टू हिम, विल लिसन टू हिम, आई विल ऑल्सो लिसन टू माई सेल्फ एंड देन वी विल गो टू अ ब्यूटिफुल रिजल्ट. और आज के डिस्कशन का रिजल्ट ये निकला है कि हम अपनी दिवाली बनाएंगे बट एक पॉजिटिविटी और प्योरिटी के साथ बनाएंगे. राइट और नॉट? Yes or no? As like our Buryans and our Bury family, all time positive, all time ready for learnings. Right or not? So guys, अगर आप भी चाहते हैं या आप भी अपने बच्चों को इसी तरीके से इनरोल करना चाहते हैं इन्हीं कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग क्लासेस में और इन बच्चों की तरह कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए, तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं बरी इंग्लिश अकेडमी का प्लेटफॉर्म, जहाँ पर स्टूडेंट सिर्फ कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं बनते, इवन दिल से अपनी बातों को रखना भी सीखते हैं. उन्हें समझ होती है कि क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन उनके पास है, कितना उस चीज़ को भी अपग्रेड करके और सीखने का एटीट्यूड रखना है. अगर आप भी अपने बच्चों में बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं, देन यू कैन जॉइन द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ बरी इंग्लिश अकेडमी. थैंक यू सो मच.